Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Halloween desk decor is probably one of the most overlooked opportunities to infuse some festive spirit into your workday, transforming your mundane cubicle into a mini haunted haven that not only boosts your own mood but also brings a smile or a playful fright to your colleagues, making the office environment a little less ordinary and a lot more spirited as we count down to the spookiest night of the year. Number 5. Whaline Happy Fall Pumpkin Burlap Banner. This banner features a special pumpkin sign, making it a unique and essential piece for your home. It is perfect for decorating your house or any family gathering. Printed with the words, Happy Fall, it beautifully expresses the joyfulness and appreciation of the season. It's a wonderful way to celebrate Thanksgiving Day. You can use it to adorn any event, especially Thanksgiving parties, both indoors and outdoors. It can also beautify your dining room, store, or office, adding a festive touch wherever you place it. Crafted from natural burlap, it is durable and free from any unpleasant smell. This material is also resilient, resisting dirt and breakage, ensuring it lasts for many seasons. The cord measures 2 meters in total, and each flag is 13 by 17.5 centimeters. Its dimensions are perfectly suited for most decorating situations. What we like. If you are looking for a warm, inviting, and natural touch to your office, this banner is perfect. Its charming pumpkin design and happy fall message create an instant festive atmosphere. It's ideal for those who appreciate subtle, rustic decor that's easy to put up. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. Nomnu Coffin Letterboard Black. Introducing the Nomnu Coffin Letterboard, a unique way to display your messages. It comes with bonus 3D bat stickers and over 650 characters, including spooky seasonal emojis. Keep the scares alive with this board, now enhanced with bonus bat wall decals. It's perfect for Gothic home decor, Halloween decorations, or year-round witchy vibes. Are you a year-round spooky lover? Get your goth on with this unique black letterboard, featuring spooky emojis. It's perfect for Halloween gifts, Gothic gifts, or witchy room decor. This 17 inches by 10.5 inches letterboard comes with over 500 white characters and 80 plus spooky emojis. It also includes a wooden stand and sawtooth hanger, allowing you to display messages anywhere. Spooky Gothic style customers are already using it to display their favorite goth phrases or song lyrics. They're sharing creepy amazing posts on social media, inspiring others. Imagine your visitors entering your dark goth home, welcomed by a witchy message on it. It helps set the perfect scene for your Halloween night party, creating unforgettable scares. Preserving the fun and mystery of Halloween is our top priority. This decor comes with a creepy commitment to out-of-this-world quality and customer service. What we like. This is a must-have for anyone who loves Gothic aesthetics year-round. Its unique coffin shape and extensive spooky emojis allow for truly personalized and eerie messages. If you want to express your dark humor and unique style, this customizable board is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 3. Gothic Skeleton Couple Decor. Discover these unique Halloween figures, posed in serene meditation. He extends his hands, while she holds hers in prayer, creating a perfectly spooky yet peaceful decoration. Notice the intricate details. A black rose adorns her eye, and he sports a stylish top hat. Their enigmatic smiles add a touch of mystery to your decor. Perfect for your haunted house, home, or office, this pair is ready to infuse any setting with spooky vibes. They're eager to join your Halloween gatherings and adventures. These collectible figurines can be displayed almost anywhere. Place them in your living room, kitchen, bedroom, or even the bathroom to accent any shelf, table, or mantel. Crafted from durable epoxy resin, these small figures boast excellent quality. Each measures 6.7 x 6L x 2.25 W, making them an ideal Halloween gift for any decor enthusiast. What we like. For a touch of sophisticated spookiness, these figurines are an excellent choice. Their meditative poses and subtle Gothic details add an artistic flair to any desk or shelf. If you prefer elegant, high-quality Halloween decor that isn't overtly childish, these are perfect. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. Number 2. Funny office metal tin sign, team meeting humor. Brighten up your office with a touch of wit. This sign brings a smile to anyone who sees it, making your cubicle more inviting. Measuring 8 by 12 inches, it's designed to fit seamlessly into various spaces. Its compact dimensions ensure it enhances your decor without overwhelming the area. Crafted from premium metal tin, it promises long-lasting durability. This sign is resistant to bending, rust, and fading, maintaining its charm for years. Hanging it is simple, thanks to pre-drilled holes in each corner. Its rounded, hemmed edges ensure safe handling and a polished look. Ideal for offices, cubicles, cafes, or home bars, it suits many environments. It also makes a unique and thoughtful gift for colleagues or loved ones. Featuring a timeless black and white aesthetic, it effortlessly complements any existing decor. This classic design ensures it looks great in any setting. We are committed to providing excellent products and service. If you have any questions, please reach out, we're here to help. What we like. Bring some much-needed humor to your workspace with this witty sign. Its clever quote is sure to get a chuckle from colleagues and lighten the mood. If you want to add a dose of personality and a conversation starter to your cubicle, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Transform your space with ease. These beautiful watercolor dots are designed for simple application. Don't worry about perfection on the first try. You can peel and stick them again and again until it's just right. They are completely safe for your walls. When you're ready for change, simply remove them without any sticky residue. Apply them to almost any smooth, flat surface. Whether it's walls, furniture, or more, they adhere beautifully. Each kit provides 4 sheets of vibrant dots. You'll receive a total of 59 pieces to create your unique design. What we like. These peel and stick dots offer a super easy and commitment-free way to add a pop of color. They are completely repositionable and leave no residue, making them perfect for temporary office decor. If you need a quick, non-damaging, and vibrant splash of fun, these are ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.